Ri Bhoi Dorbar hadin Meghalaya la ka jong ka jaka nong thmai dong so bahala ka yai artat ru shakmat bantai sendon ya ka Ïing Dorbar na ka banta bandon ki jingalang ki jing traikam bapher. Ri Bhoi Dorbar borok shikata ka jupun long office traikam lani ka Ïing Dorbar ha ka wei ka Ïing building ka bah nong thmai sneng ka bal shushong wai. Henry mentapan kalayo la ka jong ka Ïing Dorbar lingba ka jingarap u MP ka Raja Sabha u Dr. WR Kharlukhi lingba ka scheme MPLADS arja arpoi arja ar ka basipau lak tyngka. Ya ka jing yalang play ya ka ni ka jing tay la penlong ha ka arpun tari Udisaw arja arpulai ha ka ba u project director ka DRDA u Raja Brahma ulawan banyadon lang kumjoro u BDO ka CNRD block sneng u ba Ïing Dorbar. Kiwei pat kibla sakhi lang ha ka ni ka sngi ki kentop yo president Ri Bhoi Dorbar u ba RB Shadam u general secretary u ba GS Shadam kiwei kinong kit kam bah khmat ringkat lang urang ba snong ka nong thmai u ba Marshal Nongshli
u ba sadap awan mo ta ngala de bio ta ka sanction Sir Dr. WR Kharlukhi ada sanction mentionari bo ba tengah ko mo video ru na tumun changi ni wat lat mo ka scheme ne heru ngin pinkop mo man ai Dorbar mo ka kitien mo long Ri Bhoi Dorbar just the name has its weight te ni pat ni so un ongkum no ni umdan ka scheme e boro ngin pinkop man ai Ri Bhoi Dorbar mo an ai tengah first of all thanks ya Dr. WR Kharlukhi. Thank you, sir, being an MP Rajya Sabha member and your feeling towards the development of Ri Bhoi is immense, sir. Thank you, sir. Kumba who adopt mo Segi village for Molinde bring but Trikam sir belong Sarkeva is beyond my imagination like Wandra development but coordination kumba block Segi village which is zero funded mo belong Montangi land target belong it is 100 crore projects. So a man with the quality belong for the development. Come tam like perkat ya Ri Bhoi. Tinga kuble ya MP sir sa. Na kuble shibon ya bor ni member jeng Ri Bhoi Dorbar. Ya perlok ba don coklat bro. Ya come tam like video ru dan ne ji. Tinga bora. Tinga kemen mentas ni dan rangkat MP and PI nga kalat men play bo mau nongrim hang ni. But it will be a memorable, day for me in my lifetime. It is a history making for me. I am part of it. The laying foundation stone for Ri Bhoi Dorbar is just a beginning. Let the project complete in as per the Kumba Yopisa. Then the things will follow. I'm very sure many other other projects like Bangkok parking for sanitation toilet, your electrification for solar and all will be in the pipeline for water supply. We'll see it. Whatever we can incorporate, we'll help you. Since the name itself belongs Kumba Ri Bhoi Dorbar, it's not only an asset to the headman, Kumba member jang, but it's an asset jang Ri Bhoi. It's a symbol of a love, a symbol of development for the people of Ri Bhoi district as a whole. And being a senior members from the Ri Bhoi Dorbar, we and myself PD from the district administration on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and the coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well and we are always there to help.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.